Welcome back to Responsive Theme tutorial. Today we'll guide you through the process of installing and activating Responsive Pro plugin. To begin, log into your CyberGyms account and navigate to My Account section. Click on the Downloads tab and find the latest zip file for Responsive Pro. Please note that Responsive Elementor add-ons come free with Responsive Pro plugin. Click on Download to download the Responsive Pro zip file. Next, head over to your WordPress admin dashboard and click on Plugins. Select Add New Plugin and then click on Upload Plugin. Choose the Responsive Pro zip file and click on Install Now button. Once the installation is complete, click on Activate. For Responsive Pro to work properly, you need to install and activate free responsive theme and responsive starter template. Simply click on Install and Activate now. After you activate the Responsive Pro plugin, you will see the notice to activate the license. And for this, click on Click Here link, which will take you to the settings under Responsive Options. You need an API key and product ID to activate your license. To access these, click on the Need Assistance link. This will take you to the API Keys tab under My Account. From here, copy the master API key and enter it in the designated field. Then copy the product ID and enter it here. Now click on Activate. If you have entered the correct API key and product ID, the API key status will change to Activated. To access the responsive dashboard, navigate to Appearance and click on Responsive Options. Here you'll find all the information you need about customizer settings, Responsive Pro features, useful plugins. And that's it. You have successfully installed and activated Responsive Pro plugin. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials.